All right, wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back updates and information as e dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news drop, you go be the first. We will collect them. Oya, make we enter the news proper as e dey shele. The Igbo soldiers wey be say dem dey for United States don send message give Oga Tinubu. Tell am say our brother wey be say e dey for DSS detention, wetin dey happen? Say we hear say the court don release am, but na the government wey no wan release am. Dem don tell am say wetin make him tell dem wetin dey happen, why im never wan release the man, even though they say they know say no be for im regime dey arrest the man, but they don tell am say since the court don release am, why you no go carry mouth chook for this particular matter wey be say e dey affect the nation. This one dey come from Igbo soldiers wey be say they dey serve, they dey for USA, they do their own work. They don carry message sent to Oga Tinubu, tell am say our brother wey dey there, wetin dey happen. We wan know the situation of the matter. We wan know why this man still dey for the DSS detention even after the court don discharge and acquit him. They dey ask am, Oga, wetin you dey do? Na so una dey do na government? Na so the government wey be say dey for Nigeria dey? They don dey talk say they themselves wey be say they dey for America here, there. They know how things dey go. They know how the government dey take handle matters. They know how government dey carry make sure say everybody get the right wey be say e belong to them. They dey wonder say why e don reach the one wey be say e concern their brother, and also wey e concern the security of the people wey be say they dey live for southeastern part of Nigeria. Say government no wan carry mouth chook am, and they dey talk say they dey wonder why e be say since they dey talk about this matter, say Oga Tinubu sef never even comment, never even talk anything wey be say concern this matter. They talk say for long time now, lockdown dey dey, insecurity dey dey, as you know been dey dey before for southeast. Say like now they themselves wey be say they dey abroad, they no even fit come back to their house again, because some of those places now na insecurity stuff na im dey see there. Say they no even say e dey pain them. Say before Igbo man wey be say travel, e go dey wait. As far as him get money wey in dey December, him go carry him pikin, carry him children, even some of him people wey be say they dey for the place where in dey, carry them come back, make e come show them their place. Because the happiness of Igbo man be say after you don hustle finish for another man land, no matter wetin you be there, you go still come back to your papa land, come enjoy your life. Your people go see you for that Christmas. You know, see, and they say as Christmas they come now, say e dey vex them, say they themselves they no go fit come back home. Say the things wey be say e dey happen, e dey bring tears come out for them eyes. And they say the one wey dey pain them pass be say government no wan pay attention to wetin court don talk. Say they no even wan release the man. Say which kind thing be this? Say December don dey reach, they themselves they wan come back, they wan make sure say peace dey for their place. They don send a message give Oga Tinubu, tell am make him tell them wetin dey happen. Say they wan know the problem wey be say they no wan release their brother. Say everything wey be say court don talk. Say other Igbo prominent men also don reach out to Oga Tinubu. They don reach out to the government. They tell them say make you release this man. They no wan release am. Now these soldiers they ask, say why this kind thing dey happen for Nigeria? Say shebi say na democracy government na everybody dey, why people no fit talk for themselves again? Even though you talk, the government and the people wey be say they dey for power no go listen to you. Meanwhile, let's go to another information, make you see the wetin dey happen. According to this information, they say police don arrest man wey be say e get mark for his body and they don detain am. Make I carry you go for that full detail of that information. Make before I go comment wetin I go comment. Police operatives in Imo State Police Command attached to Tiger Base Unit have been accused of arresting and detaining apprentice man for having marks on his body. The victim, Ifeanyi Moses, it was gathered, went to Owerri with his boss to fix a borehole. On their way back to Umuahia, the policemen from Tiger Base Unit stopped their vehicle at 7.5 junction area of the state. A fierce-looking policeman ordered everybody in the vehicle to come down and then ransacked the vehicle. But nothing incriminating was found on Ivan Moses and his boss, Ikechukwu Akurudo, and other passengers in the vehicle. According to the victim's boss, Mr. Akurodo, they were about entering the commercial bus after the search on them when one of the policemen ordered his apprentice to stop. He said after the policeman asked him to stop, he then ordered him to remove his clothes, which he did, and then they saw marks on his chest and other parts of his body. This was how they whisked him away in their van. Since September 19, 2023, my wife and I have been going from one police station to another in Owerri in search of him, yet no answer to where he is being detained. I have been crying. The boy's relatives don't even want to listen to me. I heard it was Tiger-based police officers that arrested him. Since then, I became devastated and confused. Tiger Base is not an easy place to access because the police there are notorious. I have tried my best. They didn't see anything incriminating on my boy that fateful day. The only thing they saw on him was the marks on, and since then, his family members have been disturbing me. It was after they took him away that I was told my co-passengers that the policemen are from Tiger Base and anybody they find having marks on his body or having dreadlocks on his head will be arrested and such a person will be taken to their base. The Tiger Base is not an easy place for me to go. I have spent a lot for me to be able to get the boy out of the police claw. I was told if I go there, I would also be arrested and detained. I am dying because the boy's relatives are on me on daily basis asking for their child. Ms. Gabriel Akurodo, wife of the boy's boss, has appealed to the State Commissioner of Police to prevail on the officer in charge of Tiger Base to release her husband's apprentice, who she said is innocent. She said her husband only went to Owerri with the boy to look for work. They would eat when they were stopped by the policemen at the checking point, and the tribal marks was found on her husband's boy. The victim, who is from Mbedala Okuro Ola Afaruku, Umuahia north of Abia State, didn't argue with the policemen. He was forcefully dragged into their van before he was whisked away to Tiger Base. Notorious for killing of innocent people in Imo State on a daily basis, I was told that one of the vehicles in the convoy of the policemen, a Sienna bus, was carrying some corpses of those the policemen had probably killed before they got to the checking point. My husband's fear now is that his apprentice should be alive. It was in a police station at Owerri that he was told to go back, that there was crisis in Mbano, that gunmen killed policemen, and it was their corpses that was in the Sienna vehicle. The person my husband went to work for in Owerri, when he explained what happened to him to the man, he gave my husband a phone number of the policeman who helped us to go to the State Criminal Investigation Department to check if he was taken there. Unfortunately, it was from there we were told he was taken to Tiger Base office. Even the policeman said he cannot go to Tiger Base. How he alleged claimed to be IPOB member in custody. My husband, our lawyer, and Moses village head and his mother were able to go to Tiger Base Police Unit where Ifeanyi was detained, and he was brought out for them to see him. She said when he was brought out for them to talk to him, he had bruises all over his body, which made them believe he had been tortured by the police, probably to implicate him. When the police told him to tell us who he is, it was then he opened up and told us that he belongs to the Instant Security Network and ESN, and he also participated in 2 operations where a policeman was killed in the process, that he was initiated in Asaba, Delta State, where he stayed with his parents before they relocated to Mbano. My husband and the lawyer and his mother, who went to see him, asked if what he was saying was true. He nodded in affirmative. I believe what he said is true because it could be that he was tortured to implicate himself before his family. I don't see him like person who could belong to such people. Even some people in our area saying they don't believe that he belonged to the groups. Probably he was tortured by the police to implicate himself that he was part of the group. I pray God will see us through this issue. My people, this is where I'll be making my comments because this thing don't do too much for the police people. I pray that the government will see what they can do, because you don't implicate people with torture. That thing is not good. Meanwhile, I'll be winding down the curtain here. Thank you for listening. God bless you.